Hi guys, we are going to reset the PC, Windows PC. So before going to reset the PC, we have to do some basic steps and we have to do some basic backup of your documents. So the first one is you have to take any folders or any documents available in the desktop. So when you reset the PC, it will clear the desktop also. So you have to take backup of any document you have. You can just copy that desktop document which you want, and you can check which drive is having more memory, and you can take backup. So you copy that what are the files you record, then you have to take backup of your documents if you have anything. So these are the path it will clear while installing the new Windows. Means it will when it reset the PC. So you have to be careful of taking the backup of this folder. If you miss that, if it is doing full format, then you can't take it back those files. So you have to take backup of all the important files you want before taking the before doing the reset of PC. So now I took the backup of desktop and document and downloads also. So check for any important documents you downloaded and you need to take a backup. So if everything is okay, you can proceed for the reset. And you can check C drive if you have any anything you copied in C drive. If you need, you can take the backup. So in videos, what are the things coming under this PC? It will clear after reset. So you can check once again music, videos, pictures in your PC. So I will show automatically it will take backup also, but for safety purpose you can take one more backup manually. So I'll show how to take the backup of previous OS in the while resetting the PC. So now I did all the steps almost, everything I covered. I don't know any other important documents in the C drive, means documents downloads. So let me proceed to reset the PC. So in the start menu, go to start menu, just type reset in the Windows 10. Reset this PC will appear, just click on that. So why we are going to reset the PC, I'll tell. If you reset the PC, you can get it back your system speed again. So that we are going to reset the PC normally. Some because of some malware or virus, there is a chance of slowing down the PC. If you reset the PC and you have to install your antivirus and scan it once again, you can get back your PC speed again. So try that. So I'm resetting the PC long back. Now I'm resetting the PC. I'm facing some slowdown issue, so I'm doing that. So just click get start. So two types of resets are there. Remove application settings, keep your personal files. So what it will, if you keep my file, if you kept, you don't bother about downloads, videos, anything. Your files will be there, only the application will be removed. You have to install the applications once again. So here one more option is remove everything. So if you go for that, it will remove all the files, it will clear all the files, and it will reinstall the OS. So here remove all files from all drives. You have to switch off that, otherwise other drive also will be erased. So you should be careful on that. So you can switch off both the one. If you switch on that, it remove all the files and all drives, so don't switch on. And just remove your files, just remove files and clean the drive. It will clean the all the drives. So you switch off that and confirm files, remove all files from the drive, Windows is installed. So you can don't go to don't change the settings, let it be. It will erase only the files and clean the drive where Windows is installed. So once you click the reset confirmation, it will ask for again on ready to reset confirmation. Just click on that. So totally it will take some time to format the drive and install the OS. So it will automatically restart. So now it is formatting the drive. Particularly it is formatting the C drive. We gave the settings like that only. So reset has been completed 100%. Now Windows has been installing now. It is almost completed 9%. It will take some time. So while installing the PC, laptop or PC will restart automatically for a lot of times. So you just leave as it is. Please ensure that power adapter is plugged in. It must be plugged in, or battery should be 100% before resetting the PC. Please ensure those things. Now installation almost completed. Now it is asking for the it will automatically switch on the Katana, and it will asking for the configuration. You have to select your country, region.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
You can skip that. You can later also you can configure.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Yes.
Now type your credentials.
So you can connect your Wi-Fi.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do.
So now I connected to the Wi-Fi. Now it is doing some setup. It will take some time.
Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
So we have to accept the agreement from Windows 10.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
You can enter your mail address.
Want to set up a PIN?
You can set up the pin also. So once logged in into the mail ID, then you can set up the pin.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose Yes to sync your activities.
You can change the configuration later also. You can skip if you want. You can do it later.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
You can give only save to the PC.
Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use?
You can give no thanks now.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
You can give accept.
These are the settings Microsoft recommend.
You can give accept for the settings also.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So now logged into the Windows now. It almost take 1.5 hours. So you should be wait for 1.5 hours to reset the PC. So in the time you have to plug in the power adapter and to without interruption it will install the PC. Hi guys, now we got the new fresh Windows 10 which is having only the two icons, recycle bin and Microsoft Edge browser, and this folder I just now I created. By default this only there, and you have to install all other things, how to install MS Office and how to install McAfee antivirus. I mentioned the link below. You just go through that how to install. And I also mentioned for the less price how to install the MS Office for lifetime. Just check that link in the below description. And one important thing is, if you go to this PC, only the C drive only we formatted, other drives having the data. So you have to install any standard antivirus like McAfee or Norton. You have to scan all other drives once. After that you can enter into the drive. So there may be a chance of virus will be there inside other drives. Only we formatted C drive only. So try it guys. Please subscribe for the channel. I'll post a lot of technical videos which will be surely useful for you for day-to-day life. Thank you so much.